In this video, I'm going to help you determine which is better, using VidIQ or TubeBuddy. Now for reference, I've been using TubeBuddy for around 5 years, and I've been using VidIQ for 2 years now, and I can confidently say that there is a clear winner. And I'm not going to beat around the bush anymore, and I'm just going to flat out tell you that VidIQ is by far, like in my opinion, one of the best YouTube softwares out there. Now VidIQ really did catch up to TubeBuddy. Prior to VidIQ really blowing up, TubeBuddy was like the default go-to for YouTubers. They would constantly use that and stuff like that, but from my experience, I found that TubeBuddy honestly feels a little bit outdated. Now, TubeBuddy is still a really great option in my opinion, but in my opinion, if you really want to have like the best software out there, I strongly recommend using VidIQ. TubeBuddy and VidIQ have a lot of the same features, but in my opinion, VidIQ has proven to have more features. It's proven to have a better UI, and also there is significantly more features that actually help me out on a day-to-day basis. Now, it's also going to depend on what type of content you're trying to make. Now, what I specialize in is I specialize in creating SEO videos, meaning that I make tutorials or videos around certain keywords that have a lot of traction and a lot of search volume. And that's where I use the VidIQ keyword research tool right over here, and it has proven to be incredibly useful. Like, it is actually like a lifesaver in my opinion. And I know TubeBuddy also has a feature like this, but in my opinion, the VidIQ one is significantly more polished and has way more features. You're able to see things like the keyword, matching keywords, questions, etc. All that good stuff that you absolutely love to see. Now, don't get me wrong, TubeBuddy is still a phenomenal option, and if you're able to, I honestly recommend trying out both. Obviously, that's going to cost more money, but if you're able to and you're someone who's really invested, I honestly recommend using both and then see which one actually does work for you. But of course, as someone who does make SEO videos, I significantly prefer using VidIQ. And what's even cooler about VidIQ is that they have a lot of AI integration. So what would happen is I would have a YouTube video ready to go, and VidIQ automatically writes an SEO optimized description and also some tags to go along with it as well. Sometimes it's a little bit iffy, not gonna lie. Sometimes it doesn't really, like, sometimes VidIQ does miss the mark. But as someone who transitioned from TubeBuddy to VidIQ, I can confidently say that VidIQ is the clear winner. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.